Welcome back to Primetime Sports Thursday. National goalkeeper Amal has described being named Wednesday night's man of the match as a culmination of months of hard work. A stellar performance from Knight ensured FC Tucson extended its unbeaten run to 3 matches with a 2-1 win over Forward Madison FC in the United Soccer League's second division. Knight pulled off several fine saves, including 3 saves in the span of 3 minutes and a strong left-hand save late on, which gave his team all the points. He said he's now focused on helping his team to finish at the top.
Been training really well, and I started the season and then I got put on the bench, and I just kept on working hard, and my number was called upon for the last 3 games or so, and since I've gone back in, I've been performing, so the man of the match is no surprise to me. I'm just working really hard. That's not on my mind. My main focus is to just always get better and help the team as best as possible to try and make the playoffs.
And the former UWI player is among players worldwide who must get accustomed to playing to empty stadiums.
We've played a few games where we've had fans, and we've played some where it's just empty stadiums, but at the same time, even though the stadiums are empty, there's a lot of communication from both teams and the coaching staff from the respective teams. So the show must go on. Fans or no fans, we just have to keep it professional and do what we're doing. There's a lot of persons out there that's streaming games and stuff like that. So at the end of the day, even though there's no spectators in the stadiums, we still have audience that are viewing our games worldwide. So that's the good thing.